Hi there. I wanted to showcase Google Classroom as a learning management system to assign work to students, to collect work from students, to communicate with students. And what I like about Google Classroom is how well it interacts with just anything Google because it's built in there. You can have co-teachers, which is great for if you have grade level teams that you're working with the same students, special ed, your administrators can all see what you're assigning to the students and see how the students are doing. So this is the teacher interface, and at the top there are a couple of tabs. In the stream, it's the messages that you have sent to your students. In classwork, all of the work that you've assigned that hasn't been archived is visible here, and you can have it assigned to the Google Calendar, so you can teach your students how to use that. And then when the assignments are created, they go to a class drive folder, and so you can kind of keep track of all of those works in there. What I like about Google Classroom is when you create assignments, it's just giving me some tips because I just joined this class. When you add something from Google Drive, what it does is it prompts you whether you want to send your link. So the students will be looking at the actual presentation that you created. You could give each student a slide in the slideshow that they are responsible for completing, or it allows you to create a copy for the students. And what I love about that is it names them and stores them in that class Google Drive folder, which is great. When you assign one of those to the students, you are the owner, and then you submit it back and forth to the students. You can assign rights to the student at the end, which is great for portfolios and such in the future. I'll pop over to the people is just the list of students in the class and such. The grade book here has at a glance who has completed assignments, who submitted them on time, who submitted them late, and when they're missing. So it just becomes an obvious way, it's kind of loading up, an obvious way to keep track of who has turned things in. So you can send those one-on-one messages, reminding students. It's not a grade book as a general learning management system would be, where it keeps your scores, or at least I haven't found that feature, but it does let you know who's turned things in and who's running behind. So overall, I think that Google Classroom is a really effective management system, and it's a great way to integrate with Google activities. If you have Kami installed, there's the link here for Kami assignment, and that lets the students use annotation tools right on top of PDFs, that you send them, which is really awesome too, or articles, blogs. So hopefully this helps you just kind of get an idea of what that looks like on the teacher side. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.